Hi there! I have a rather exciting package today. I have with me Stray Kids' second full album, NOEASY, the limited version. I do collect only the limited versions for each of Stray Kids' album because I can't afford to get all the versions. So I'm really excited to open this. I've been waiting for this package to arrive. Let's get into it. So it came in this box. I turned the box upside down so you don't see my address. Okay. Take it out. Okay. Wow, okay. I'm so excited for this album. Okay, so I assume these are the pre-order benefits. So I guess we'll go through these later, or we could go through them now. Actually, why not? Let's go through them now. But first, let's see what we got. So we've got these two things. We've got the album itself. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. And we've got a poster. Let me open the poster first. I just got the folded poster because I don't really have anywhere to hang the poster. I just wanted to see what it looked like. Open it up. Oh, it's this way. Hold on. I'll put it on the floor so you can see it better. So here's the poster, and it is really, really beautiful. It is so gorgeous. Okay, now let's get on to the... Okay, now there's these two things. I'm gonna open up the smaller one first. Oh, I think this is random member. Let's see. Oh, I got hinted. Okay. Alright. It's a little photo card thing. The picture can be taken out, I think, but I'm not going to take it out. That's just how it looks like. Okay, next we have these things. This is, oh, it's like a little book. So this is the front and the back. I think the backs are all the same. They're just this pattern and then the name of the member. Okay, so that was that. Now let's open the postcard shaped package. NOEASY. Oh wow, okay, I got Lino. It's a little pop-up thing. I'm not sure what it says there, but this is really cute. I might just display this on my shelf. It's really cute. Now, I think these are photo cards. So let's go through them. Oh, so sweet. Oh, these are so cute. Oh dear. Okay, they're kind of stuck to each other. Okay, we have Chan. Here's the back. It won't focus, hold on. There we go. 10. Nino. Changbin. Hyunjin. Han. Felix. Sumin. And Ian. Okay, I'm really happy they did this photo card set for Stray Kids, because Twice has these kind of sets, photo card sets, and I think they're really pretty, so I'm glad that they did one for Stray Kids. Here is the album with the plastic on. It's the track list. Komka sticker. Here's the spine. Okay, I'm gonna take the plastic off camera because it might make like a lot of sounds. Okay, so here is the album without the plastic. Here's this side. Try this again. I think the sides connect, so there's an SKZ at this side. And here is this side. So we're gonna take these things out. Empty. Okay. I don't know what to go through first. There's this folder thing. I think we'll go through this one last. We'll go through this first. Oh, it's not focused. Okay. We'll go through this first. There's 2 books. So we'll go through the thicker one first. I think this is the photo book. So this is what it looks like. It's really cool looking. It's got these shapes here. I think they're supposed to be clouds. They're very shiny and glossy. Okay, let's open up. Oops. Okay. Ooh, we got 110. And Lino. Changbin. Hyunjin. Han. Felix. Love Felix's hair. Sungmin. Sungmin looks good. Hyen. Oh, sorry. I love all the different photo shoots. This is lovely. Oh dear, dear. Thanks to their individual thanks to. Credits. And that's it for the photo book. Now I think we're going to go through this smaller book, which I believe is the lyric book. So this is what it looks like. There's some like static on it. I was actually really worried I wouldn't be able to get this album because it sold out so quickly on every music site. And I collect, like I said, I collect the limited versions of all the Stray Kids albums. So I was a bit worried that I wouldn't be able to get the album. So I'm so happy to have it in my hands right now. It took a lot of work, but I managed to secure an album. And let's go through the lyric book. So this is the track list. I have listened to all the tracks and I love the title track Thunderous. It is so good. I also like Domino, Sorry I Love You, I love that one. Silent Cry is also great. Actually, they're all great. And I love the unit songs. I like Red Light, Surfing, Gone Away. And of course, it's nice to have Wolfgang on the album. I can't wait to listen to this song in the car, this CD in the car. I'm so happy. It's such a good album. Oh, okay. So these are the lyrics for Cheese. I love cheese. Thunderous. Oh, I like this photo shoot. Domino. And the View. Sorry I Love You. Silent Cry. Secret. Star Lost. Star Lost is also a really good song. Red Lights. I love Red Lights. Surfing. Gone Away, Wolfgang. And Mixtape. That's it. Hope you were able to see all the pages. Next is this thing. So it has them walking just like the album art. I believe this thing contains all the photo cards, so I'm a little nervous to open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's look at the CD first. This is the CD. Wow, it's so cool. And here is how the CD place looks like. Hold on. Okay. Then there's some stickers. Oh, these stickers are really cool. It's all the tracks. So there's Cheese, Thunderous, Domino, Sixth View, Sorry I Love You, Silent Cry, Red Lights, Star Lost, Gone Away, Wolfgang, Surfing, and Mixtape. Oh. I don't want to use these stickers, but I kind of do. They're so pretty. Okay. And then there's this. Oh, it's like a fold out. Let's see. It says NOEASY. And the reverse. Oh, it's unit. Okay. So I got Hyunjin and Felix. Okay. That's cool. Let's look at the individual pictures. Yeah. Alright, I think we have the photo cards left. I don't really want to see who yet. Okay. Oh dear, okay, one of them is double-sided. Okay. Alright, so we can see the double-sided one is Seungmin. Wow, I've actually never pulled Seungmin before, so that's really exciting. Yes. Oh, I love these double-sided photo cards. They're just adorable. Okay, so there's two more. And they have the same similar backs. But this one's purple and this one's green. So let's go through the purple one first. Let's have a look at this one. And it's, oh, it's Lino. I've also never pulled Lino. Wow. Okay. All right. This is great. Okay. I love the back. Okay. Let's see this one. It's Sumin again. Wow. Okay. My Sumin luck. Okay. Wow. All right. So these are my photo card pulls. Oh, I'm so happy with them. I've never pulled these two members before, so this is really exciting. I usually pull Changbin and Felix, so I'm a bit sad that I don't have any Felix photo cards, but I'm glad because I got these members that I don't usually get, so that is exciting. So that is all. Let me do a little outro. Okay, so here's everything that I got. This book, this album came with a photo book, lyric book, and a folder full of photo cards and stickers. This was so amazing. I was really excited to get this album, and I'm so happy to finally get it. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this album. Please watch my other unboxing videos. I unboxed a lot of Stray Kids because they're my alt group. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.